500 ml water, 1 spoon cucumber, half lemon, 1 spoon of chia seeds, half lemon, little ginger. Kita nyo guys. Kita nyo chia seeds. Kita nyo chia seeds. Guys. Bukas ng umaga, ito na yung iinumin ko when I wake up. Para magpayat na naman tayo. Magpunta na naman tayo ng hospital.